Gotta love moving into a house after Paul Cafaro moves out. What the hell was that?
That's actually good.
How many gallons do you think this is? 10, 20? We're not gonna put that much in it. It's got holes in the bottom. Is this gonna work? All right, let's get it. Hey, VEEZY Fam! Today, we are gonna turn this recycle bin into a guppy fish tank. And then we're gonna breed a whole bunch of guppies and feed them to stuff. Anthony eats a guppy.
Yeah,
next video.
Next video.
You guys watching those shorts? We're gonna clean this thing out and we're gonna get all the stuff that we need. We need a tarp, we need tape, we need rocks, let's just get it. Yo, shout out to Nature is Metal page on Instagram where they have some pretty gnarly stuff like animals eating animals. They saw our video of Jack's getting eaten by the coyote and they posted it there and it's got over like 1 million views. A million. So we started talking to the person that runs that site and I said, yo, I like your company. He's like, how about we send you guys some merch and you wear it? Life eats life. And then what do you got? Anthony has literally, it's the jaw of all the animals that are predators that eat other things. So guys, you guys definitely need to check out Nature is Metal on Instagram. If you guys have a company and you want us to wear your merch on video and shout you guys out, hit me on the DM and Instagram. If we support your company, your website, your business, we don't have a problem wearing it. Plus, it's free clothes for us. I mean, we need clothes. All right, so for one, we're promoting recycling because it's good to do. And for two, we're promoting fish keeping because that's also good to do. So we're gonna turn this into a fish tank.
What's this?
With tape.
Gorilla tape.
And we got a tarp, all right? So we got a tarp. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this out, we're gonna put it on here, we're gonna tape it down, we're gonna put a bunch of stuff in here. So this is a brown tarp, but the inside is like a silvery gray color. By it being that, I think that would look cool because it would show off if we got some silvery gray guppies.
Yes.
Oh, you got water, you're thirsty already? We haven't even cut anything yet. Jeez. All right, so basically you want to measure up how much room you need, and we're going to put it in there like that. Of course, we're going to flatten it out a lot more. We're going to cut this, and we're going to see what happens. All right, so you always want to start big, because if you start too small, then you're messed up, and then you have to get another one. So we need to make this go in there all the way.
Nice and tight.
And then we're gonna put this around it. Even with the wrinkles on the outside, it kind of looks like a rock. I like it. So, give us 1 second, we'll be right back. All right, guys, what do you think? It's not about beauty. Believe me, this is not beautiful. However, it's functional. So we're gonna get some substrate, we're gonna lay it all around here, we're gonna get some, well, water's last. Okay. Well, actually, the fish are last, because imagine putting the fish in here before we put the water. What would happen?
They would die.
We need to get some substrate. Gotta love moving into a house after Paul Cafaro moves out. He leaves everything. So get all that muck and stuff off. Whoa! So we're gonna use all of this stuff, guys, and then I think we actually have a sponge filter as well, and we have substrate that we have left over from something. I don't know, between me and Paul Cafaro, there's so much stuff in this house. When we sell this house over VEEZY, you're just gonna find millions of things. Maybe millions of dollars. Maybe I hid $1 million in the garage. Who wants to buy this house?
Or maybe under my bed.
Under his bed? You're on the top bunk of a bunk bed. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
Everything's done. I think.
Isn't this from SpongeBob? You guys know? I don't watch SpongeBob. So we have unused, pre-soaked substrate in black, which is going to look so sick. Let's see how that looks. More substrate?
Yeah, I'll put one more in.
Just one.
Look at this dude.
He's so goofy, bro. Let's go with not much more. All right. Make sure it hits all the corners. We're gonna bang that out in the corner like that.
I can swim in, and also, wait.
Matter of fact, we're gonna probably add some more substrate because we're using all this to bury that. So let it just get a big handful and wrap it around in there. Yes.
So now they can go on here, jump out of the tank, jump back.
Wait, jump out?
Yeah, and then jump back. Yeah, we need some more substrate on here.
Bro,
We use all of it.
that looks sick. Yo, shout out to Will Nace who does all his aquarium stuff and all his cool stuff. We're giving him a run for his money right here. We don't want to splash anything. All right, so here's how you do it.
Ooh, look at
Light. Calm down, tough guy. No, where are you going?
over here.
Why?
Because it's good.
What?
There.
What the hell was that? Bro, why did it explode?
Still in that place, and I'm flexing.
Guys, if you like these kind of videos where we make aquariums out of some crazy in-your-house DIY stuff, go ahead and comment down below. If this video gets 1,000 likes, we'll make another one of these out of, I don't know, out of Anthony's water bottle. We will make an aquarium out of your water bottle if this video gets 1,000 likes. Say I won't. I guarantee we can put 2 goldfish in there, like a little sponge filter, and we're good to go. And we're gonna cycle the water a little bit before we put any fish in there because that's what you're supposed to do. And I don't want you guys in the comments just like destroying me.
Well, every time I'm a fish, watch. In the house.
I don't know who bought this or where it came from, but that's pretty cool. Hi.
What's that?
It's a sponge filter. So,
Does it work?
yeah, look at it blowing the water.
Ooh.
That's sick. Our buddy Nate bringing us over a bunch of guppies. He says he either caught them or bought them. I don't know. But we're gonna keep
snails and guppies.
snails and guppies.
Yeah.
That's gonna look awesome in here. Tony, look at the water. It's doing like a circular action too. That's gonna promote a lot of oxygen for them. That's beautiful. Smells good. Taste it.
Ew.
It's not bad. Good well water.
That's actually good.
Anthony eats well water. All right, let this run for a minute, and let me call Nate, see where he's at, and let's get these fish in here. Anthony, get the net and clean that out a little bit.
Okay.
So Nate brought us some snails. I see like 10 of them in here.
I'm gonna grab it.
Bro, look at.
Babies!
We got snails that are gonna float. Why are they floating?
They're gonna go to the
Here,
side
you go in there.
eventually.
Where's all the guppies? Oh, they're there. Look.
Oh, I got one!
In you go, buddy. In you go, buddy. So we got about 7 or 8 guppies in there. Snails galore. This could be a snail tank.
Yeah.
So this literally, look at there. There's one right there too. Snails, and look at all the guppies. And they're swimming into the current. They're having a fun time. That is actually sweet.
Yeah.
Because this thing is moving around, creating motion. Got a filter. We're even gonna probably put a bubbler in there later.
That's the biggest snail.
So this literally cost nothing. The cheapest, fastest, easiest, funnest, do-it-yourself guppy aquarium pond out of a recycle bin. What do you guys think? You like this? Maybe we should do this out of goldfish on a different one. We have like a yellow recycle bin in the house we could use for goldfish.
Yeah.
Yeah? Let us out! We're not really in jail, guys.
Yeah.
Did you guys like that video? Make sure you let us know in the comments if you liked it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Put your post notifications on so you can get notified when we make cool videos. I didn't mess up your hair.
Like this video if you like my hair.
I like your hair. What do you guys think? We're not cutting it. We're just gonna let it grow.
Let it grow.
Let it grow. How long can it go? Let it grow. Let it grow. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.
Who's gonna pick up this mess?